हाथ को ज्ञान मुद्रा में रखें। इसी तरीके से मुद्रा को रखें, इंडेक्स फिंगर और थंब को ज्वाइंट करें और इसको आकाश की ओर करें। इस तरीके से अपने हाथ को रखें और घुटने के ऊपर रखें, कमर गर्दन सीधा रखें, लंबी गहरी सांस लें, एब्डोमिनल ब्रीदिंग करिए और उसे थोड़ी देर रुक के फिर लंबी गहरी सांस छोड़े। डीप इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल। जब आप डीप इनहेल और एक्सहेल करते हैं उस समय अपनी ब्रीदिंग के ऊपर पूरी तरह ध्यान को लाकर रखेंगे ताकि आपकी ब्रीदिंग के साथ आपके अंदर जो भी ऑक्सीजन इंटेक कर रहे हैं उसे आप फील कर सके। पॉजिटिव फीलिंग के साथ आप डीप इनहेल, दोनों हाथ को रब करें। ओके, अभी हम इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट करने के लिए कुछ छोटे छोटे आसन मैं आपको बताऊंगी, छोटे छोटे एक्सरसाइजेस बताऊंगी जिसको आप करके आपकी इम्यूनिटी को बढ़ा सकते हैं। आप स्टार्ट में आप दोनों कानों को ऐसे नीचे से, जहाँ पे हम कान की छिदवाते हैं, ये रिंग पहनते हैं, तो उसी जगह को आप पकड़ लीजिए और इसको नीचे की तरफ खींचेंगे। जब छोड़ेंगे ब्रीथ इन और जब नीचे की तरफ खींचेंगे ब्रीथ आउट। ब्रीथ इन, ब्रीथ आउट। इसको पूरा पुल करें नीचे की तरफ। ब्रीथ इन, आउट, ब्रीथ इन, आउट।
Exactly is immunity. Immunity is that present state of condition जहाँ पे आपके body ना fight कर सके, like how we do struggle with everyday day-to-day active challenges, right? Similarly, the body also has that everyday challenges, to fight against any kind of, it could be a disease, it could be an allergy, anything. You are fighting against it. That is what is your immunity is. So it's immunity. So how this immunity affects your system? So does it going to, is it really helpful? How is it, right? Yes. अभी घर पे भी बैठ जाते हैं few people and still उनको भी कोविड हो रहा है। तो क्यों हो रहा है? तो that is because their immunity जो लेवल है उनकी बहुत कम है। तो that is, तो बॉडी क्या है, उसकी क्षमता है ही नहीं कि उसको फाइट कर सके and not get that. Not just the COVID, it is just in general also, right? Few kids, you would have seen your own friends में किसी को जो है बार बार कोल्ड आता रहता है। हर छोटी सी, जैसे ही थोड़ी सी सीजन भी बदल जाती है उसको कोल्ड या कॉफ या फीवर हो जाती है। तो दैट इज व्हाट इज
Ma'am, how effective are food supplements like omega tablets, omega-3 tablets or vitamin tablets?
Okay. Charvi, see, the thing, as I said, right, every person's body is different, right? But most of the people, when you do a blood test, you might be having a deficiency in any of the vitamins, right? The reason being is, at the same time, you are all eating the same food. Let us say you are all in hostel, eating the same food every day. But when we do a blood test, few people will be having deficiencies, few people will be not having. The reason being is, your body, though you are eating the same food as Noor or Himanshi for that matter, your body has a deficiency because your body is not having the capacity to absorb it. It could be genetic or it could be how your system is working. So yes, so when you are taking that extra supplement will definitely give you that additional absorption rate, so that will be much more effective.
Mom, we'll take up the last question by Mahira. She said, as Ramzan is going on, I'm trying to eat whole foods to feel full like chicken and eggs, but it is causing heat boils in my body. She is allergic to curd, so what are the foods that she can eat to cool down the body a little?
So ask her to see that heating is actually the concept. It is there only in India. No, it's not. If you Western को जाके पूछोगे ना US वालों को या China वालों को कि उनको तो वो what is that heating, they have no.
Ma'am, not heating. She's doing Ramzan. I'm saying eating.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Doing Ramzan. So to
Ramzan. So right.
So it's causing heat in her body.
हाँ, that's what. So that's heating only, right? तो गर्मी बढ़ रही है, उसकी वजह से उसको heat boils हो रहे हैं. So the thing is, so there is no concept like even in Pakistan and all this, there also people are doing Ramzan ना अभी. तो but उनको वो concept है नहीं है. The reason is उनकी system जो है, it is used to eat that amount of meat at every day. Our system is not used to it. So that's why it's not, the gut system is not enough to digest so much of protein. Protein when you take more ना क्या होता है, it actually binds the water. It inside की जो body moisture होती है, it उसको bind कर देता है, and that's how the body becomes very dehydrated and then you feel hot. That is what is heating. So whenever you are eating high protein, whether it is Ramzan or no Ramzan, whenever you are eating high protein, right, the main thing to do is increase your hydration levels. That will cool down a lot, and there are certain foods, yes, which are coolant effect. So especially sabja seeds हो गया, chia seeds हो गया, and even the barley जो very easily मिलती है. So barley is the one which will definitely help in reducing the heat in the body. So curd, yes, you are allergic. To try to take that patla sa curd, maybe that is possible. If not that, sago water or the barley water, these are all very cooling to the body. You can definitely have them.